Welcome to how to delete poll in Instagram group chat. So in this video we are going to show you how to delete poll in Instagram group chat. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, you will open up Instagram and then you will go into your Instagram messages and then you will open up that specific group chat. Okay, and now what's you can see that we have this one poll here. So if I basically tap and hold on it, we don't get any kind of options here. So unfortunately there is no way to delete a poll from Instagram group chat. So what else that we can do is we can go back and we can just basically delete this group chat. So we will basically hold and swipe this group chat here, and then we will simply just tap on this delete option here, and this will delete this chat. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.